Well, good morning. So, Hilltop School had to be closed today, which is obviously a shame for everybody because of the snow. One thing that we've kind of gotten used to in this pandemic, well, we might have gotten used to it or we might not have, is things changing at the drop of a hat. When you've got a lot of change and things not staying the same, expectations, you expect that things will happen and then they don't. You expect to go to school this morning and then you can't. It's sometimes a lot to deal with. So, this can have an effect on your mental health. Whoever you are, whether you're staff or whether you're student, and we need to look after our mental health. So, I was reading some articles on mind today. You can have a look on that if you like. I'll put the website up. They were talking about the benefits of being outside. Now, apparently just being outside can really help your mental health. It's known to reduce anxiety and depression, and it can lift our spirits. Maybe you can see that the snow's coming down now. So when we come outside, we see the natural world. It's easier to exercise outside. I find myself walking. I'm slightly out of breath. And what that does is it releases endorphins and happy feelings. So getting some of this fresh air, especially somewhere beautiful like this, makes a huge difference to how you're feeling in yourself. Something that we do in drama is we try to take something familiar and we look at it in a different way. So sometimes you're familiar with each other in the classroom and then you find yourself playing a different role. So one of you will be pretending to be the parent maybe, or one of you will be pretending to be some kind of criminal. I have very fond memories of the investigations that you guys have done. But then what happens is you start to look at something that's very familiar in a different way. And that's kind of what happens when it snows. When it snows, places that we're very familiar with suddenly look very different. And this is fantastic. And the whole world looks like it's got icing sugar sprinkled on it. Everywhere looks sweeter. Everywhere looks brighter. It looks more cheerful. Which is strange because sometimes when the sun is blazing, the world still doesn't look as bright when the clouds are really overcast and full of snow. So, just being out, even in a familiar setting when it snows, make the most of the snow today. Make the most of it. It's going to make the world and the place where you live that is very familiar and even boring, it's going to make it look magical today. It's going to be fun. It's a great thing to have some exercise outside as well. Getting yourself out into a place that is beautiful, it lifts your spirits. So we're going to have a little bit of a toolkit of things that can help with your mental health. It's not a dirty word, and it's not just for people who are struggling or having a difficult time. It's for all of us. We need to stay healthy. It's very important, because when we're healthy, we can react to the world in healthy ways. We can be good for each other. We can enjoy our lives much more when we feel good on the inside. As I'm sitting in the snow, think about your mental health. Get yourself out today and enjoy this amazing snow. See how it changes the way that you look at your landscape. Everything looks different. Everything is slippy, slippy, slippy. So be careful, but enjoy it. yourself a chance to smile today.